Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we're going to be diving in, taking an up close look, doing an in-depth review on this acrylic paint pen set right here. As you see, it is a neon acrylic paint pen set that has 24 markers included. They are from a company called Tooli Art. We're going to be taking an up close look at these markers. We're going to be activating them, taking an up close look at the performance and everything in between. So should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will also leave links in the description below so you can go ahead and check these out on your end. With that being said, let's just dive straight on into this. Where I would like to begin per usual is showing you all the box up close so you can go ahead and know what to expect on your end. As you see, we have an array of beautiful neon colors. We do have extra fine tips, and then we have medium tips as well, which is thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. As a matter of fact, in my book, I do use both sizes. It is water-based opaque ink, quick drying multi-surface. We can use this on glass, wood, plastic, canvas, metal, and more. Let me show you all around. Feel free to go ahead and pause at any time here so you can check these out on your end and read this thoroughly should you need to do so. Also, upon using these, any Tooli paint marker set that I've used, I've tried the earth and I believe it's going to be the earth and skin tone color, the assortment red. I did try the acrylic paint and the essential. All of them have high quality paint and which does not have harmful smells to it. So there's no harsh fumes or smells with these markers. Let's open this up top here. So upon opening the package, this is what we are greeted with right here. So as you see, one thing that I love about Tooli Art is that they always hook us up with extra nibs in case these go dry and or dry out. You know, there's a lot that can go wrong with the nibs here. So I do love the fact that Tooli Art supports us and, you know, gives us extra nibs in case we run into those predicaments here. As you see, we have the medium tips right here and they're all color and number labeled there. And as you see, we have the finer tips. Allow me to just simply pour them all out here. So we can take an up close look at them all. And every single Tooli product I've got has also come with this specific brochure right here. Feel free to go ahead and pause so you can thoroughly read this should you choose to do so. Just giving you instructions on how to use, how to protect the nibs, how to maintain. Very, very useful. 2 thumbs up. I'm genuinely appreciative of Tooli Art and what they include in these products for us to utilize. But let's look at these colors right here. Look how beautiful these colors are. Off the bat, these colors are very vibrant. They're popping out at me, and these are going to make for great and beautiful, vibrant artwork. They're just outstanding. They're very, very vibrant. I'm not sure if the screen does justice to their actual colors here, but these are beautiful, beautiful paint pens right here. So as you see, here is the same color. We have 4 and 4, same color, just different sizes here. Allow me to show you the point tip difference for those who are curious. So this is going to be the medium, this is going to be extra fine, as you see. And activating the marker is very straightforward. Whether you're doing the extra fine or the medium tip, it does not matter. You would simply want to give it a shake. Once you shake it, I like to use the tip of my marker to activate them. Some people use a surface, a blank paper, whatever you want to use, it's up to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shake it up a little bit and I'm going to press it down. And allow me just to demonstrate how easy it is to activate these paint markers. And as you can see, the paint is already flowing down right there. And we are now literally ready to rock, as you can see. And activating the Tooli paint pens has been that easy. And it really doesn't matter what set I'm using. If I'm using this specific neon set, I've actually used this assorted red set. Every single paint set that I've used from Tooli, even all the way down to this one, the essential, all of them have all activated with ease, no problems at all. And that's over maybe 100 markers or around there, and all of them have activated with ease and never had any issue. The paint is high quality as well, for those who are curious. Now, with that being said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to a time-lapse mode so we can go ahead and activate all of these markers right here. Okay, so all of the markers are now activated, and again, just to confirm, no harsh smells coming from this set either. It was super easy to activate. All of the markers are now ready to go ahead and get to creating. What I would like to do now is switch over to an up close view here. We're going to do some artwork together, and then we're going to go ahead and come back. I can give you all my final opinions on this specific neon acrylic paint pen set from Tooli Art. Now, for the 24 neon acrylic paint pen set from Tooli Art, we're going to begin with outlining this design right here, just so that way we don't lose the design in its entirety upon filling in with the neon colors. And I may use an assortment of different neon colors to really illustrate the potential that this specific kit right here has from Tooli Art. And I'm outlining this specific design with a Tooli Art black pen from the, I believe it was a 30-piece set. So we have the basic outline right there in a more more pronounced black rather. And I did use the black from Tooli Art as you see right here. I'm going to proceed and just pick colors at random here from the neon set assortment. And I'm just going to fill them in. So to begin here, or actually I'm going to use a couple of them. I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't really want to take away. Still want to do a nice piece here. Let's see here. So I'm gonna go with the neon green. The neon pink right here, as you see, and then I'm gonna go with some shades of maybe this one right here. So I'm gonna be using 10 and 11. I'm going to begin with the darker pink here. Not really darker, that's not the right word. But I'm gonna begin with this shade right here. So as you see, that neon pink is super, super vibrant. What I will say about the Tooli Art paint markers that I've tried, and I've tried several of these bundles that Tooli Art creates, and all of them have been of great quality. So if you're doubting the quality, or if that's what you're here for, you wanted to see the quality of the overall paint and just check out the performance, I could confidently recommend these markers. They are affordable, they perform, they are also beautiful, they're vibrant. They're an all-around great marker. Okay, so here we are at the top view again, and in my professional opinion, the Tooli 24 Neon Acrylic Paint Pen Set is a 2 thumbs up and a 5 stars, and for multiple reasons from me personally. And some of the top reasons that come to my head off the top are going to be because the colors are loud, they are neon, they are vibrant, they're in my face, they're easy to work with, there's no harsh smells, and the drying time is very, very swift. As you all saw me working on them throughout the video, I'm simply laying color down and then I'm moving on to the next, and it's kind of drying as I'm going. So for those 3 reasons alone, I can highly recommend these. I can give these a 2 thumbs up and a 5 stars with confidence. And allow me to bring this up close for you all. As you can see, it's loud, it's in our face, there's still some drying going on, but it is a beautiful canvas, beautiful colors. All in all, I do feel like this is a good demonstration to the potential that this kit right here from Tooli Art has. If you have any questions at all, if I didn't touch base on anything specific, please, I highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Now, I also have social medias all under the same name as my YouTube channel, DANIELYUCK. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Yet again, all under the same name as my YouTube channel at Daniel Yuck. I would truly appreciate the support on there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this. Thank you all for tuning in yet again. You all have a great day.